Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tabletop gaming with a detailed review of the Chessex CHX25408 Opaque Black/White dice set. We found this product online and added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this set actually is. The Chessex CHX25408 is a beautifully crafted set of 7 polyhedral dice that are perfect for any tabletop role-playing game or board game. With their sleek black and white design, these dice are not only functional but also visually striking. Whether you're rolling for initiative in Dungeons & Dragons or determining the fate of your characters in another RPG, this dice set has you covered. One of the standout features of these dice is that all numbers read from the top, which makes them incredibly easy to comprehend at a glance. No more awkward angles or squinting to see what you've rolled. This feature is especially beneficial during those intense gaming sessions when quick decision-making is crucial. Additionally, the sharp edges of the dice allow for easy shape recognition, ensuring that players can identify their dice quickly and accurately during gameplay. Another impressive aspect of the Chessex CHX25408 is the size of the numbers on each face. The designers have made them as large as possible, which further enhances readability. This is particularly useful for players with visual impairments or those who simply prefer a clearer view of their rolls. It's all about making your gaming experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. So, who exactly is this dice set suitable for? If you're a seasoned tabletop gamer looking to upgrade your collection, or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of role-playing games, this set is perfect for you. The classic black and white color scheme is versatile, making it suitable for a variety of game types, from fantasy to sci-fi. Practical use cases for the Chessex CHX25408 are abundant. They can be used in